Let's now take a look at RealMojis. I want to show you how to send, change and delete them. I have a post here of a friend and I could kind of write a comment with the comment section, but I could also use the RealMoji function. I click on this little smiley underneath the comment box and then I can use a RealMoji. So the thumb up, the laughing one, the shocked one, the crying one, crying and smile. And I use the thumb up. So I use my RealMoji. And then there's the selfie camera, the front camera. I click on here we go. And now I can also take a picture of me talking into the camera and using the front camera. Okay. When I'm ready, when I'm finished, I click on the arrow to the right with the blue dot. And now I have my RealMoji, which was posted here as a RealMoji. We have the comment section and we have the RealMojis section. How to delete it? I can click on the symbol with a long tab and use the upper right symbol, click on it, and then it's deleted. So that's the way how to delete a RealMoji. You can't change it, you have to retake one. So delete the old one and retake your RealMoji to have a better one, for example. That's the way to use RealMojis on BeReal.